Getting your Nighthawk set up and ready to use is both easy and fast. First, prepare your area where you will be installing your new router, and then unbox your Nighthawk. Included with your Nighthawk is the Wi-Fi router, antennas, Ethernet cable, power adapter, and installation guide. Step 1. Connect the antennas. Align the antennas with the antenna post on the router. Then, attach the antennas on the threaded antenna posts. Position the center antenna vertical and aim the others outward at 45-degree angles. This is the best antenna configuration for ultimate Wi-Fi performance. Step 2. Prepare your modem. Unplug your modem's power, and if your modem has battery backup, remove its batteries. If your modem was already connected to another router, disconnect the cable between your modem and that router. Step 3. Connect your modem. Plug in and then turn on your modem. Make sure to replace the modem's batteries if you have removed them previously. With the yellow Ethernet cable that came with your Nighthawk, connect your modem to the internet port of your router. Step 4. Add power to the router. Connect the power adapter to the router and plug the power adapter into an outlet. Wait for the power LED on the front panel to change from amber to white. If no LEDs are lit, press the power on/off button on the rear panel of the router. Step 5. Connect a computer. You can connect using an Ethernet cable or connect wirelessly. For a wired connection, use an Ethernet cable to connect your computer to a black Ethernet LAN port on your router. To connect wirelessly, use the preset wireless security settings on the label placed on the front or bottom of the Nighthawk, which is unique to your router. Step 6. Launch a browser. The first time that you connect to the router, the Genie screen will display. The setup wizard will run automatically, and when completed, you will be connected to the internet. If Genie does not display, close and reopen the browser. Next, type in www.routerlogin.net or type in the router's IP address 192.168.1.1 into the address bar. In order to access the router settings, login will be necessary. Type the username admin and the default password. If you have to manually launch routerlogin.net, it may be necessary to run the setup wizard to complete the installation. To run the wizard, click the Advanced tab and then click Setup Wizard. This utility may take some time to complete. Before you are ready to begin gaming or streaming with full Nighthawk potential, please check to ensure that your device is running the latest firmware. In order to do this, stay logged into routerlogin.net. Navigate to Advanced, Administration, and then Router Update. Check the check button to search for new firmware. If there is new firmware available, it will begin downloading now. If not, your screen will display no new firmware available. The installation of the new firmware will take several minutes and your router will restart during this process. Once completed, you will be reconnected to your router. To get the most out of your Nighthawk, it may be necessary to set up Advanced Quality of Service, or QoS for short. QoS prioritizes the traffic on your network to ensure that critical data like video streaming or gaming is prioritized over other data like file downloads. There are two different types of QoS, upstream and downstream. Upstream QoS is also known as gaming QoS. It prioritizes internet traffic from local devices to the internet. Upstream QoS should be set up if you have a game console like an Xbox and you'd like to enjoy lag-free online gaming. Downstream QoS is streaming QoS. It prioritizes traffic from the internet to your network. This should be set up if you like to stream internet video such as YouTube or Netflix. Setting up these features is very easy and can greatly improve the performance of your network if you like to game or stream. First, click the Advanced tab from routerlogin.net. From here, click Setup, and then QoS Setup. Under the WMM tab, ensure that both boxes are checked. Open the Upstream QoS tab to gain access to the additional features. Check Turn Internet Access QoS On. Click Turn Bandwidth Control On, and then click Uplinked Bandwidth Maximum. In order to determine your network's maximum uplink, we will need to run a speed test. Please ensure that other devices are not being used on your network when you run this test. In a new tab, navigate to www.speedtest.net and click Begin Test. Once the test has been completed, write down your upload speed and navigate back to the tab you were on previously. Enter your upload speed that you have written down in the box next to Uplink Bandwidth Maximum. Ensure that you select the correct speed rating in megabits per second or kilobits per second. Next, click Apply. Once you have completed setting up upstream QoS for gaming, you can set up downstream QoS for streaming. Both types of QoS do not have to be set up if you do not game and stream. To optimize your network for streaming, open the Downstream QoS tab. Check the Enable Downstream QoS button and the Streaming Database Auto Update button. If you choose, you can also create individual rules for downstream processes after you click Apply. After you have completed the setup, click Apply to send the QoS settings to your router. Your Nighthawk should now be set up for maximum performance on all your devices. In order to optimize your home network, NETGEAR recommends that you download the Genie app, which allows you to easily manage, monitor, and repair your network. Features such as My Media, Ready Share Print, parental controls, and Easy Mobile Connect allow you to use your network like never before. To download Genie for your devices, navigate to www.netgear.com/Genie. Select the correct file for your device and download it. The basic installation of your Nighthawk is now complete. However, to get the ultimate performance from your router, please follow the additional steps in your install guide to set up many other great features such as Ready Share and Ready Print. For more information about the Nighthawk, please visit www.netgear.com.